Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today I'd like to talk about the subject of mandatory retirement ages, specifically mandatory retirement ages for driver's licenses, and I'd like to know what you think. Do you think that we should have a mandatory age after which your driver's license is automatically retired, or is that a terrible idea? You know, what got me thinking about this is that there's a news article that came out this past week about a 77-year-old man who was driving on the highway going the wrong way, going against traffic. And he got into basically a head-on collision with a Delaware State police trooper. The 77-year-old man unfortunately passed away as a result of the collision, and the police officer was injured. I guess the good news, the blessing of the situation, is that no one else was injured. No other innocent motorists were injured in that collision or in any other collision. But it got me to thinking that, you know, we don't have a mandatory retirement age for people's driver's licenses, and I wonder if we should. You know, I was out to dinner last night with some other attorneys from another law firm, and their law firm has a mandatory retirement age of 72. After 72, you can't be an attorney in that law firm any longer. And I have friends that are surgeons that their groups have mandatory retirement ages of 68 years old. After 68 years old, the medical group doesn't want you as an employee because they don't want you cutting on people anymore. And, you know, the reason behind those mandatory retirement ages is because as an attorney, if you malpractice, or as a surgeon, if you malpractice, you can really cause a lot of harm. But at the same time, if you think about it, if you get behind the wheel and drive a car and you screw up, you can cause even more harm. And thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people are injured in car accidents every year. Tens of thousands of people die in car accidents every year. So why wouldn't you want to have a mandatory retirement age? I don't know. I'd be interested to know what you think. So send me an email and let me know. Is this a good thing, a bad thing? Is it a good idea, terrible idea? Should the government intervene in order to make sure that people are safer motorists? Or should the government stay out of people's business and let them do what they want to do? Send me an email, ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com, or go on our Facebook page, facebook.com/schwartzandschwartz, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.